everybody, my name is S. Nicole and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be retwisting and washing my hair. I've had these curls for about a month now. They've lasted a long time and I think they've about had it. So it is time to wash my hair and do a retwist, and this will be the first time I've actually done a retwist on my own instead of going to a loctician. So we'll see how this goes. The products I'm going to be using is Adoa Beauty. I will be using this shampoo to wash my hair. I will not be using conditioner yet because the locks, my natural hair and my locks isn't quite mature yet, so I don't want to use deep conditioner just yet. I'm going to be using rose water, if you can see that, and I will be using Oyen Handmade's Frank juice. I'll be using that. It smells so good. It smells like frankincense and myrrh. And then I will be using Carol's Daughter's Goddess Strength 7 oil blend for my scalp. And for a smell good, I will be using Napstar's Smell Good Oil, Frankincense, and Myrrh. And most importantly, to retwist my hair, I'll be using Lion Locs Lock Moisturizer. This is supposed to be very moisturizing and be good to, keep your retwisting in place. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I like this product and it helps with my first retwist. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh yes, and how could I forget? If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is my first video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give this video a like if you really enjoyed it and if you want to see more content. And this is videos about lock extensions. By the way, I have permanent lock extensions, so that's why this part of my hair is mature and the top, my natural hair is still maturing. So I plan to grow my hair out with the lock extensions and cut out the extension as my natural hair grows. So yeah. Okay guys, so first I'm going to brush my hair to get any lint that I see in my hair out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this style down.
Having issues, you guys.
All right, it is down. So I'm just going to brush for any lint to come out. Kind of pick at it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lint out and then I'm going to wash. All right. All right, so now we're back. I used a microfiber towel, I believe it's called. You can get them from like Ulta. This one is called Retwist. So yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like washed. You can see how long the extensions are. I feel like my hair has grown a lot already and I've only had these extensions for like 2 or 3 months, I believe. But I'm really happy with my hair and I really love my hair right now. So I'm happy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some rose water on my locks. Get them nice and moisturized, because with those curls, I don't like to spray it a lot because I didn't want the curls to fall, so they're kind of dry. So I don't want to go that long without moisturizing again, but you know. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some oil on my scalp. So I'm looking in the mirror in case you're wondering what I'm looking at. So go ahead and do that. All right, so that is done. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with some leave-in spray conditioner. I didn't use deep conditioner, but I'm gonna go ahead and use leave-in spray conditioner because I guess it's just like using a regular moisturizing spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this in my hair just to give it a little more moisture. All right, so I'm not gonna use the Smell Good until the end. This is supposed to last like days and days, so I'm not gonna put that until the end. So now let's get on with the retwist, and I'm going to get a mirror so I can see the back while I'm looking in this mirror too. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I got my mirror and I have my if I can get this, I got my clips. They're stuck together but I got my clips to do my retwist. And again, I'm using the Locking Moisturizer by Locs. And I'm going to be doing 2-strand twists while I retwist my hair, and I'm going to show you how I do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. All right. Sorry, somebody was texting me. So, yep, this is what it looks like. This is the consistency. It's not really gel-like. It's like, feels moisturizing. So, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it here. And the way to retwist your hair, you're supposed to go clockwise, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and palm roll that. And there we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and wrap these hairs around. And go ahead and clip it There we go. And let's see, how do I want to part my hair? I always part my hair on this side. So I'll twist it with this lock and put some on here and palm roll. Go ahead and palm roll and kind of wrap that around. Gonna take this and clip it, and I'm going to twist. And when you twist, you have to twist like, you gotta have a flick of the wrist kinda, and twist with some tension so you can get that nice twist out pattern when you take it down, and also so it won't unravel while it's in twist. So remember, twisting isn't as easy as you think it is. So just remember, it's best to do it a certain way so it doesn't unravel and stays in place. So I'll be back. I need to get rubber bands. All right, and now we are going to take that twist and secure it with the rubber band. I say only wrap it around like 2 or 3 times. It doesn't need to be that tight. So let's do another one. I'll show you how I do another one, and then I'll come back after I do my head. Alright, and that's what I'm going to do throughout my head. Alright, be right back. Alright, so now you see I have this lock that's really, these 2 locks are really uneven. One is longer than the other. So what I'm going to do is just wrap this one upward and take my rubber band and just rubber band it on there, and it's done. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to take some gel and kind of smooth it a little bit. It's not the perfect retwist. I would use this more for moisturizing and maybe not as much for retwist. It doesn't give me that, you know, sleek look that I wanted, but it still looks good and it works. Alright, so I'm gonna take some gel and kind of smooth down where my part is a little bit. Not too much because I don't want any buildup or anything. So I have this Eco Booster gel that's good for edges, and yeah, I'm just gonna add some to sleek it down a little bit. There we go. And I'm also going to add some of the moisturizer throughout my locks. So this is really like clear once it gets on, and really I don't know how to explain the consistency, but it doesn't leave any buildup in the hair. But it makes your hair feel nice and soft instead of crunchy. So now I'm going to take my Smell Good oil from Napstar Frankincense and Myrrh. You don't put this on your scalp, you only put it on your hair. One moment, I can't get it open. Alright, so yeah, you put the Frank and Myrrh only on your hair and not on your scalp. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and drip it onto my hand and just put it on to my hair to smell good. And smells really good. Nothing like hair that smells really good. Alright, so this is the final look, you guys, and I'm happy with how my hair came out. Like I said, next time I'll use something with more hold for the retwist, but I like the Lion Locks moisturizer for moisturizing the hair, not necessarily for retwist. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. And as said before, if you're new, which you probably are, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you want to see more. So again, thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.